race for a Asyong. Then moving up, Kid Baloloy. Ultra Boost comes next, then followed by Silver Glow, and followed by Runaway from Rose Nut, while Angel Brule is in behind them, about to pass the half-mile pole. Asyong takes up the running by about a length and a half. Running in second, Copycat Kid Baloloy still racing in third. Runaway from Rose Nut moving up to take fourth as they round towards the final corner. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Copycat takes up the running, then on the outside, Asyong, Kid Baloloy, and Runaway from Rose Nut. Copycat this time by about a length and a half. Asyong remains in second. Kid Baloloy moving up on the outside to take second. But Copycat about to win the race over Kid Baloloy. And finally, Copycat, Kid Baloloy, Asyong, Runaway from Rose Nut, Silver Glow, Bow Ties and Charms, Angel Brule, and Ultra Boost.
Official winner, entry number 7, only the fourth choice in the betting.